Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to link DSers to Etsy. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored by DSers or Etsy. I'm just sharing my own personal experience and knowledge with you. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Etsy store to AliExpress suppliers. This means that you can sell products on Etsy without having to hold any inventory yourself. What are the benefits of using DSers? There are a number of benefits to using DSers, including no inventory. You don't have to hold any inventory yourself, which means that you don't have to worry about storage or shipping costs. Low costs. DSers is a free platform to use, and you only pay for the products that you sell. Easy to use. DSers is very easy to use, even for beginners. Wide selection of products. DSers has a wide selection of products to choose from, so you're sure to find something that your customers will love. How to link DSers to Etsy. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the meat of this video and talk about how to link DSers to Etsy. Create a DSers account. The first step is to create a DSers account. You can do this by going to the DSers website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Connect your Etsy store. Once you have a DSers account, you need to connect your Etsy store. To do this, you will need to provide your Etsy store name and API key. You can find your API key in your Etsy store settings. Choose products to sell. Once you have connected your Etsy store, you can start choosing products to sell. You can do this by browsing through the DSers catalog or by using the search bar. Set your prices. Once you have chosen the products you want to sell, you need to set your prices. DSers will automatically calculate your prices for you based on the AliExpress supplier's price and your profit margin. Publish your products. Once you have set your prices, you can publish your products to your Etsy store. Start selling. Once your products are published, you can start selling. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for linking DSers to Etsy. Make sure that your products are high quality. This is important because it will help you to get good reviews and build a reputation as a trusted seller. Set your prices competitively. Don't try to charge too much for your products, or you will lose customers. Provide good customer service. This is important for all businesses, but it is especially important for dropshipping businesses. Promote your products. Once you have started selling, be sure to promote your products on social media and other channels. Linking DSers to Etsy is a great way to start a dropshipping business. It is easy to do, and it can be a very profitable business model. I hope this video has helped you to learn more about how to link DSers to Etsy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.